Looking for a new telescope? We've got you covered. Check out our hand-picked list of 6 excellent telescopes ranked for price, performance, and battery life. The Celestron AstroMaster 102AZ. It performs exceptionally well for observing celestial objects such as the moon, planets, and even some deep sky objects. This telescope is ideal for aspiring astronomers who are looking for an instrument that is dependable and simple to operate. The bundle includes steel tripods, an accessory tray, and a manual, alongside 10mm and 20mm eyepiece, red dot finder scopes, and Starry Night astronomy software, making for a sound starter package. It's also pretty simple to set up from scratch without the need for a tool, bar, or Phillips screwdriver. On the downside, this AstroMaster is a bit of a beast. Celestron StarSense Explorer. Connectivity is a powerful tool for exploring the night sky. This telescope is equipped with an 8-inch aperture, providing clear and detailed views of nebulae, planets, and other celestial bodies. It comes with a smartphone app that is compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, allowing users to control the telescope and locate objects with ease. The StarSense app uses advanced technology to determine your exact location and align the telescope accordingly, making it easier to find and track celestial objects. The app also provides information about the objects you are viewing, including their names and descriptions. This telescope is ideal for both beginner and experienced astronomers, providing a user-friendly interface and high-quality optics. It is also lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport to different viewing locations. Overall, the Celestron StarSense Explorer 8-inch Dobsonian Telescope, Celestron Inspire 100AZ. The Celestron Inspire 100AZ. Refractor is an excellent choice for entry-level astronomers, blending ease of use with impressive functionality. Its standout feature is the swift setup. The tripod unfolds effortlessly, and with a quick turn of the lock knob, you're ready to explore the cosmos. Innovative design elements, like the built-in smartphone adapter on the main lens cap, cater to those interested in astrophotography. The 100mm objective lens diameter ensures clear, bright images, enhancing your celestial viewing experience. Adding to its versatility is the red LED flashlight, ingeniously housed in the mount head for illuminating the accessory tray or as a separate spotlight. The manual focus mechanism. Orion StarBlast. The Orion StarBlast 90mm altazimuth travel refractor telescope is a perfect choice for both adults and families, particularly beginners looking to explore the cosmos. This portable telescope has a sturdy tripod, a range of accessories, and a convenient carry case, making it easy to transport and set up wherever you go. The telescope itself has a 90mm aperture, providing crisp, clear views of the moon, planets, and stars. It uses a refractor design, which means it uses lenses to gather and focus light, resulting in sharp images with high contrast. This is an ideal setup for observing the lunar landscape. The included accessories, such as eyepieces and a finder scope, enhance your viewing experience and help you locate objects more easily. Overall, the Orion StarBlast 90mm altazimuth travel refractor. Zhumell. The refractor telescope comes with a 60mm aperture objective lens for improved radiant views. Assembling and utilizing the Zhumell 60AZ is a swift and straightforward process. Additionally, a complementary bag, tripod, 3x Barlow lens, and smartphone adapter are included. This kit is remarkably portable and suited for all your escapades. Capture photos and videos through the eyepiece. This telescope, ideal for novice astronomers, is equipped with 2 high-caliber eyepieces, 20mm and 8mm, that offer low and high-power perspectives of celestial objects by night and terrestrial objects by day. The Zhumell 60AZ boasts top-tier, coated glass optics, a robust 60mm objective lens, a lightweight structure, a smartphone adapter, and a customized case for convenient transportation. Gskyer. The Gskyer 70mm travel telescope has danced up and down on my top telescope lists over the years, sometimes on the under $100 lists, and this year at the top of the under $200 lists. This means you might find it on sale for $100 if you get lucky. Either way, this starter scopes is a great option for budget-conscious stargazers. It includes fully coated optics, 400mm focal length, and 70-meter apertures, which provide clear and high-resolution images of celestial bodies. As for magnifications, the package includes 2 extra eyepieces of 25mm and 10mm plus 1 3x Barlow lens, reaching magnifications of 120x. The Gskyer is also one of the best options if you are into astrophotography. The telescopes include a wireless camera, smartphone remote. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.